Hello and welcome. In this video I show you how to create your own token on the KuCoinChain. So the KuCoinChain is basically the same as what Binance Smart Chain is to Binance. So Binance is a large cryptocurrency exchange and also KuCoin is a large cryptocurrency exchange. It's been around forever and they now created their own chain. It's the KuCoinChain, and the KuCoinChain is also an EVM. So it's basically the same as the Binance Smart Chain and the same as Ethereum. So for everybody that doesn't know, first was Ethereum, and then Binance came and they made a copy of the Ethereum chain and called it the Binance Smart Chain with faster transactions and cheaper transactions than Ethereum. And now KuCoin did the same, so they called their chain KuCoinChain. And at the current price of KCS, so KCS is the native token from KuCoinChain. So it costs currently around, let me check here, KCS. KuCoin is the KuCoin token, and KuCoin token costs currently $12.45. So it's much cheaper to create token on the KuCoinChain than it is actually on the Binance Smart Chain. And KuCoinChain, so KuCoin token is the native token for the KuCoinChain. So whenever you want to deploy a contract on the KuCoinChain, you have to use KCS, and you can only buy KCS currently directly on the KuCoin exchange. And I will leave a link in the description. So if you use my link, then you get a kickback for using my link. I get a kickback, everybody is happy. And yeah, and the great thing on KuCoinChain is we can, on my channel I've done a lot of tutorials on Ethereum and on the Binance Smart Chain, and since it's basically a copy of that, we can just use the same smart contracts for the KuCoin and deploy them on the KuCoinChain. So we don't really have to learn anything new. The only thing we have to do is change a few settings and we're ready to, create a token. And this is what we're going to do today. But before we get started, I have to take a look at my sponsor for this video. And the sponsor for this video is Yorkie Token. Yorkie Token is a token created by me because I got tired of all these rug pulls and scams in cryptocurrency. So I was like, okay, I'll create my own token. And the token did really good in the beginning. We had a market cap of about 500,000. And then we dropped down to almost nothing. And now, we're slowly creeping back up. So if you're looking for a long-term project and a secure project where you know the developer, then go ahead and pick up some Yorkie token, which are currently available on the Binance Smart Chain. Also, real quick about the tokenomics. So whenever you buy Yorkie token, a percentage is added to the liquidity pool. A percentage is being burned and a percentage is being redistributed to all Yorkie holders. And yeah, this is basically it for Yorkie token. I would love if you get in and join us. We have a Telegram and everything. We definitely need help on promoting. So yeah, as I said, if you're looking for a long-term investment, Yorkie token might be the thing to go. Okay, now with that being said, let's go ahead and create a token on the KuCoinChain. So I already did a tutorial on where I showed you how to add the KuCoinChain to MetaMask. So I assume at this point you already know how to buy KCS token from KuCoin and how to add them to MetaMask. And once this is done, then we can open up Remix. So a lot of us used Remix to deploy token on the Ethereum mainnet and on the Binance Smart Chain, and now we can use Remix to deploy a token on the KuCoinChain. And what I have here is just a simple ERC20 token. It doesn't have any features. It only has a supply, and a transfer function and an allowance function. So this is really it conforms to the ERC20 standards. And yeah, we will deploy this token to the KuCoinChain. Also in KuCoin, so on Ethereum, when we create a token, it's called an ERC20 token. when we create a token on the Binance Smart Chain, it's called BEP20 token, and the token that we create on the KuCoinChain is called KC20 token. Hopefully I'm not wrong, or the KRC20 token. Actually, let me Google this real quick. KuCoinChain token, I think it's KC20 token. KC, I don't want to tell you anything stupid now. KC20 token. Let me Google this. KuCoinChain token. Yeah, I think it's called, I don't know why there's no information on this. We go here to KCS. So Ethereum is, of course, it's a ERC20 token, but I'm not sure if it's a KC20 token or a KCC20 token or KRC20 token. I'm not quite sure, but I will let you definitely know as soon as I find out what the correct wording is for the KuCoinChain token. I should have looked this up prior to this video, but as you know me, I'm not really good in preparing for my videos. Yeah, KCS is the native currency, but it doesn't say anything whether it's I don't know, maybe we're gonna find out. So yeah, you can grab this this contract, for this smart contract, from my GitHub page. The link is in the description, and it's the ERC20 token. You can just copy and paste it into Remix, just create a file, and then over here we come to the Solidity compiler. So we have to select the correct compiler version, and then we can compile the contract. Once it was successful, then we can see the contract here. Then we come here on the left to deploy and run transaction. Make sure that you're in MetaMask, you're connected to the KuCoinChain. And then over here in the environment, just go to injected Web3. Then it shows me the balance of the KCS balance that I have. Then we select the contract, and then we click deploy. Now, okay, so it gives me some information. I confirm it here. Then my MetaMask pops up. And deploying the smart contract cost 0.0098 KCS token. So this is really cheap. If you keep in mind that the current price of KCS is about $12. Okay, then we got here some information in MetaMask. I close this. Then down here we get the transaction somewhere where it says transaction hash. We copy the transaction hash. And Ethereum mainnet has etherscan.io, or is it etherscan.com? I'm not sure. Give me a second here. Yeah, it's etherscan.io, where you can look up the blocks and all the information about smart contracts. And the KuCoinChain has explorer.kcc.io. So this is basically the same as Etherscan. Then we paste in our transaction hash here, and we click on search, and here we find the information. So we created here a smart contract. This is the smart contract address. I copy this here. I have to click on it. Then we find some information here about our smart contract. So the smart contract name was Cappuccino. Token balance, I don't know why it doesn't show the token balance here. Oh, and here we see it's a KRC20 is the token standard on the name for the token standard on KCC. Okay, now we figured that out. So here we got the information of our token. I'm absolutely not used to the KCC Explorer yet, so it's kind of new to me. So I have to look around what's going on here. Contract. Okay, we have the same here. So similar to what it looks on Etherscan. So like, let me click here on verify and publish. Okay, this is the same as on the Binance Smart Chain. I select the compiler version. Compiler was 5.0. I select MIT license and continue. Enter the Solidity contract source below. So I'm from Remix. I copy all of the contract and paste it in here. So there are some additional libraries, but we didn't use any. So we can scroll down all the way to the bottom. Help Google on their machine learning capture. So bicycle. And verify and publish. And perfect. So we have our contract is verified. And this is it. This is actually how easy it is to create a token on the KuCoinChain, and it's really cheap as well. And this is all there is to it. So if you have deployed contracts on the Binance Smart Chain or an Ethereum, you basically only have to change some settings and you're ready to go. And this is it already for this tutorial. This is how simple it is to create a token here on the KuCoinChain. And in the next video I will show you how to list our token on CoffeeSwap. So CoffeeSwap is the same like Ethereum has Uniswap. Binance Smart Chain has PancakeSwap, CoffeeSwap exchange, and KuCoinChain has the CoffeeSwap exchange. And you find the CoffeeSwap exchange here under coffeeswap.exchange. And this is where we deploy our contract here in the next video, and then people can actually purchase our token from CoffeeSwap. Alright guys, this is it already for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure, if you liked it, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with everybody that wants to learn how to deploy or create a token on the KuCoinChain. Okay guys, I'll see you next one. Bye.